Hello,
Hi!
I'm Shashi.
And I'm Brenda. Today we're gonna share with you how to cook the tastiest and the spiciest sambal chicken.
Sambal chicken is basically a Malaysian dish which is served with white rice. It's even better if you try it with nasi lemak. Haven't tried it before? Make sure you try it after this. It will definitely be cool.
The ingredients are chicken, onions, garlic, lemongrass, red chili, shrimp paste, tamarind, blended dried chili, and wheat flour.
First of all, prepare some flour into the chicken fillet to coat them nicely. When the oil is all heated up, place the chicken fillet one by one into the wok to fry until golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, drain the remaining oil from the fillet into a sieve. Then set them aside. To prepare the sambal, we need to fry the onions first until they turn yellowish. Then we put in the garlics, shallots to fry until golden brown. Next is to add in the red chilies, shrimp paste and lemongrass to fry until fragrant. Now we're all set to add in the blended dried chili. Stir fry till they are all sticking together before adding 2 cups of water to simmer. Let the sambal mixture simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add some salt to taste, a bit of sugar to balance out the spiciness, and some tamarind as well. Then add in the fried fillets here to cook for another 2 minutes. Once we are done, place the sambal chicken into a bowl, garnish with some parsley and red chili, and serve it hot. Voila!